What's the meaning of aduki? Aduki. 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 Aduki refers to a small, red bean that is commonly used in East Asian cuisine. These beans have a thin skin and a sweet, nutty flavor. They are often used in desserts and soups, and are considered a nutritious source of protein and fiber. Aduki beans are also believed to have various health benefits, such as improving digestion and lowering cholesterol levels. They are widely available in Asian grocery stores and can be cooked in a variety of ways, including boiling, baking, and steaming.